Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to share with you why we're leaving Wild Apricot and where we're going to. Now, I am the tech guy for our social club. We're the Scandinavian Club of Columbus. We have, I don't know, probably around 100 of us that are involved in this club, but we have a lot more context than that. I think we're hitting around the 250 contacts on Wild Apricot's limit. So let's get right into it. I'll share with you why we're leaving. If you're a current Wild Apricot user, you probably don't need me to tell you why we're leaving. The lack of functionality, the dated platform, lack of support, and they keep increasing the price every year has really prompted me to look elsewhere to find out what's a better option. And I think my biggest thing was the website. It just lacked so many features that I really wanted. So I realized there are some people on Wild Apricot that have a Squarespace, I'm sorry, a WordPress site, and then they just use Wild Apricot for the back end management. But I don't need to complicate things. And I think if you're in a similar situation, you don't need to have all these tools. Like it just gets too confusing. And we want it to be as easy as possible. Like I am probably not going to be involved in the club forever, so I'm thinking about the people that are after me. And having all of these tools, it just gets confusing. Is a learning curve. You have to, remember passwords for everything. So it really prompted me to look elsewhere. So I'm in the digital marketing space for my current job. Um, and we use a platform called High Level, and I actually white label the software so I can resell it. And it came to me one day, and I said, wow, this High Level can do everything that Wild Apricot can, and a lot more, and it's all in one platform. So I think we have until June of next year. We have paid Wild Apricot 2 years. We prepaid to save money. So I'm in the process of phasing out Wild Apricot and moving everything to High Level, or my white label version, which is called Thrive Nonprofit. So I just want to share with you a few of the amazing features that Thrive Nonprofit has, and I encourage you to, follow along with me. I have a link in the description if you wanted to schedule a meeting. We can discuss what your organization needs and see if it's a good fit or not. So, um, the first thing is, okay, so the first thing I love about this platform is the website builder. Makes things super easy to build out your website. It's mobile responsive. You have a lot of customizations on here. And if I show you really quick, it even has the cookie consent, which is funny because Wild Apricot was wanting to um, partner up with Termly for $113 a year just to put this cookie consent there. And I don't understand, because it would be so easy for them to just build in their website builder. But again, that's why we're leaving. So that's just like one small thing. But if you're paying for Termly, it just doesn't make sense if you were to switch over. Another great thing is, um, just for the website builder, you can save sections so that you can just reuse them later. So this is saved as a global section. And if you look at the builder, you see it's very similar to Wild Apricot, but there's a lot more functionality there. And if you click on, let's see, where is it? Sections. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, here we go. Global sections. You can save, this is saved as the global footer. Just click and drag it over onto the next page. So it's super easy to build websites. Coming soon is a brand kit. So if you're familiar with um, Canva, there'll be a brand board, is what they're calling it, where you'll be able to put your brand colors, logo, and after the first iteration, I think the second iteration is going to have typography as well. Speaking of typography, Google Fonts is included in the website builder, and when we get into it, the email builder. So I was super excited about Google Fonts coming, so we don't have to use those crazy default fonts. Coming into the website, I'm sorry, the email builder, we have templates, very similar to Wild Apricot, where you can create templates and then turn them into a campaign. Again, very similar to the website builder, it's click and drag. I couldn't tell you how frustrated I was with Wild Apricot's email builder just because it was a formatting nightmare. But a cool thing about this too is they even have dynamic elements. So an FAQ section that collapses and retracts, an image slider. Again, it's not going to work on every device, but it is cool that we have those options. The other cool thing about the emails is they have statistics. So you'll be able to see how many people open them. You can see all of those analytics in there, which I don't think you could in Wild Apricot, if I remember correctly. Another great feature I love about this platform, or just emails in general, is trigger links. So I'll give you a perfect use case for this. Let's say you wanted to send somebody a survey after they left an event, and you want to send them a few emails because not everyone will sign up or take the survey on the first ask, but you don't want to send it to them if they've already taken the survey. So what a trigger link does is when they've clicked on the link, you can do whatever with it, but you can stop the automation so that they don't get any more follow-ups. So that's really cool. You can put those in your emails as well. If you notice up here, we also have a social planner, which is incredible. You can you can integrate your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google My Business, which is excellent. So you can schedule the posts out, or you could just make a post directly in the platform, which is amazing. Another awesome feature about the platform is our centralized inbox. So all of your messages, either from emails, text messages, Instagram DMs, Facebook DMs, Google My Business chat, they'll all come into this one centralized inbox so you can reply just straight from here. Another thing I'm super excited about is the members area. So you also have the ability to add a members section, and on this website, I think it's members.scandyclub.org. You'll have your own login for your members, and you have it's basically set up like a so there's different sections to the members area. You can have a community, which is what this is. You can also have a course if you were to build out a course. And then also there will be a place where you can see invoices. Again, this is the members section. So if they had invoices, they could pay them right there, which is really cool. Again, we're testing this out right now, so you don't really see anything yet, but this is my example of a board members area where we could have this one section for board members. We can discuss things. It's just like a Facebook group. And it's very similar to School, which is an online learning platform, Skool. Um, cool thing about this is, like I said, you can have unlimited users or members. You can give people access to this. You could give only members access to this. That's up to you how you want to build it. And they also just came out with an app, which is incredibly useful for the community section. It's called Collab, Kollab. So your members will be able to chat on the go, which is super convenient. And I mean, that's amazing. Um, so yeah, this is the member section, and it's only going to keep getting better as they develop it. But I am in love with it so far. Another thing that I love about this platform is you can automate literally anything. So there's a lot of things that I wish I could have done in Wild Apricot, which I can now do here. And a good example is like appointment reminders, event reminders. I can make automations or workflows to create internal notifications. It's so customizable, and the possibilities are endless with workflows and automations. Um, let's see. Oh, the other really good thing too is the texting. So you can text from here as well. It's so much cheaper than Wild Apricot. So if you are interested, you can follow along with me on YouTube. I do have a link in the description below if you want to book time with me. We can discuss if it's a good fit for you or not. I want to see, what features do you really like about Wild Apricot? What's missing? And I can develop a custom strategy to implement. I'm also thinking about creating a course where you'll be able to literally build it out and have somebody walk you step by step on how to set this up. So if that interests you, I have, like I said, my calendar link is in the description below the video. I'd love to talk with you and brainstorm some ideas. And yeah, so thanks for watching.